In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts and color in Weebly in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to make your website stand out with a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid grasp on customizing your site's appearance to better reflect your style or brand. First things first, let's navigate to the free website builder by heading to Weebly's homepage. Once you're there, you'll find a login option. Enter your login credentials, your email and password to access your Weebly account. If you haven't logged in before, it's a straightforward process. Simply click on the login button to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard that presents various options related to your website. Here, look out for the website tab. Clicking on this will give you access to all the sites associated with your account. Select the website you're working on and then click on Edit Site. This takes you directly into the Weebly editor where all the magic happens. Next, within the Weebly editor, spot the Theme tab on the top navigation bar. Clicking on this will open up a variety of theme options for you to explore. Now, if you're considering a complete overhaul of your site's design, this is where you'll find those options. But today our focus is on font and color. Click on the headline section on your page. This is where we'll start changing the font and color. To change the font, you'll notice a drop-down menu that appears. This is your gateway to an array of font choices. Scroll through and select a font that aligns with the vibe you're aiming for on your site. Once you select your preferred font, the change will be immediately visible, allowing you to see how it looks in real time. Now for the color. Just next to the font options, there's an area dedicated to color selection. Click on the color option to pull up a palette where you can choose a new color for your headlines or any text you wish to update. This can help your text pop out more or integrate more seamlessly with your site's overall theme. Don't forget to explore the options for more customization. Alongside fonts and colors, there are additional settings allowing you to fine-tune these elements. Experiment with different combinations until you find one that perfectly fits your vision. By following these straightforward steps, you're able to give your website a fresh and unique look that reflects your personality or brand more accurately. This concludes our tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Weebly.